Have you ever wished that you could just hear music and then be able to play it almost instantly? Have you ever wished that you could stop being so horribly out of tune with all the other musicians? That's right, I'm talking to you.
Well, now you can! Hi, welcome to Rock with Roxanne. This is my ear training series. Each of these videos starts easy and then progressively gets harder. If you're a beginner, then watch from the beginning all the way until the end. If you're more experienced, then watch the beginning for review if you'd like, but you can also skip straight to the challenge section at the end, where I'm going to do my best to mess you up, because it'll be good for you. Level 1 today is all about learning the difference between higher pitches and lower pitches in increasingly more complex distances and contexts with other notes. You'll also learn today why it's in your best interest to not always use a tuner. Remember, I didn't say never.
Are the pitches going up or down? 4 exercises, 2 hearings each. If this is very easy for you, you're welcome to try and name the interval too. Also, this icon means you can pause to repeat the exercise or have more time to think. Next, we have 3-note chords. Which voice in the chord is moving? The top note, the middle note, or the bottom note? Does it go up or down? For the advanced version, also name the suspension or chord progression. Now it's the same thing, but with chords that have 4 notes. Here's the vocabulary for this section. Pause if you need it. Part 1. Is the second tone higher or lower? Stick around for part 2 after this brief educational interlude.
So why shouldn't you always tune with a tuner? Well, tuners tune using equal temperament, just like pianos. True tuning is completely relative to a single pitch. A C has a certain tuning for all the notes above that C, and when you're in equal temperament, all of those tunings are slightly different so that you could easily switch to a different fundamental without it completely sounding terribly out of tune. For vocalists and wind players who aren't playing with pianos and other equal temperament instruments, you can use natural tuning and achieve much higher levels of intense resonance with your sounds. But the only way to do this is to not use a tuner, but to use your actual ears. So for the following exercises, you'll hear a chord, and you need to try and hear which pitch within that chord is out of tune and how to adjust it.
Part 2. Tuning chords. Here's a vocabulary quick guide.
If you found this helpful, go ahead and give it a like so that other people can find it too. I have more educational content on my channel, particularly for piano. I also have comedy and my own original music. So if any of that interests you, please go ahead and check it out. See you on the next one.
Have you ever wished that I forgot what to say.